Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Are you tired of kind of like the round cat cable? I don't know about you, but sometimes I have trouble with this kind of just flopping around. So I end up getting this. It's a Cat 8, Cat 7 supported flat cable. To give you a kind of an idea, it comes with some cool staples, nail down staples, so that's pretty neat. As I drop them all over the place, so you got a decent box full of those. And this is cool because it's got the snag-free clips on it, which I was really looking for. And I like that it's pretty versatile. And on the side it says Cat 8, 400 gigabytes per second, 2000 megahertz. So to give you an idea, compatible to Cat 7. I'm going to open this up. And I needed it primarily because I'm running a bunch of different routers in the studio, and I needed something that kind of laid flat more than was round for the cable. For one, you have a lot more versatility and a lot more movement that you can get this around corners or anything else. It lays flat, so it's easy to kind of hide, wherever you're mounting it at. But anyway, that's that. And then it's got your standard connection. And actually, I was going to place it on one of my studio routers right here. While I got you here, so that nice click. I'm going to run it to the other side of my studio. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and with you, Cat 8 cable. Be safe out there.